Friends, my name is Sarveshwar, and today we will discuss how to run a simple regression in R using lm command. Friends, we'll discuss. So, here is our file. This is X is my file that contains 15 variables, dates, symbol. Actually, this is data for ACC Security at Indian Equity Market, traded in National Stock Exchange, India. These are some majors I don't want to mention. You simply take it as your variables. Some are so as per your theory. Some of them could be dependent. Uh, One of them would be dependent, and others might be independent. So based on theory, you would select them. So I'm just for sake of explanation, I'm describing in a very simple manner here. Okay, so first of all, this is my file. Now, what will I do when you do regression here? Now, all the commands I have written just to save our time. Uh, Suppose here I want to regress component share variable. This is CS. I just want to regress this. So what I'm doing here, I'm just putting the LM command, linear model command, LM. Uh, any name you can give it, your name, XYZ, Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, whatever you want to name. It's the name I am giving here, model fit, the name of the variable that would be generated by this regression. I'm then putting the command lm. This is my command, and then this is our dependent variable. So this is our dependent variable CS, and then I will just write by following by tilde all the independent variables. So this is my first variable. If you want to do only for one variable, then close the bracket. But suppose multiple regression. In that situation, you can use plus sign. So I am putting plus and other variables. You can put n number of variables here and then just mention what is the name of your file. So it will take the name of variables as headings from that file. So data is equal to x because the name of the file is x. So all the variables are coming from heading of x file. Okay, friends. In summary, what I can say here: use lm command dependent followed by independent variables. If it is multiple, use plus sign, the name of the file, and I'm just running it. One variable is created model fit. What is in model fit? So just run it model fit. So here it is giving me. So this is the way they have called lm function, and these are the coefficient for intercept. One more thing, friends, here it is by default taking intercept. If you don't want to add intercept, you can simply put here minus a in this regression formula, like in this way. So this is your equation. What can you do here? Simply you can just put here minus a. That's all. I'm not doing that. If you want, you can do that. Okay, then this is not sufficient for us. These results we are having coefficient because we want what we want. We want here. These are the coefficient. What are their standard error, their t statistics, and their p values and overall f statistics? So what can I do? The command of the summary, because in R all the variables generated by any equation they have some summary. I'm just running summary of this model fit. Okay, this is my summary. This summary gives me the descriptives of residuals, mean, first quarter, median, third quarter, and max, and then all the coefficients. Uh, like these are the intercept. This is intercept. One first variable, second variable, their estimates, and then standard errors. When we divide the estimates by standard errors, we get t values, and the corresponding probability for two tail test is this. Significance is also given by R, and overall, what is the F statistics, degree of freedom 2 and 560, uh, and p value of the overall model, adjusted R square, all things are mentioned here. But this is not enough for us because we want to extract all these things to put in report. So how to take it when you run a loop for running the same regression for many variables, or similarly here also you can simply cut and paste as well. But suppose you want only coefficients, then how to do that? Okay, the very simple thing is you simply, this is this was your summary command. You put dollar sign for subsetting that, and you are using this way. You are mentioning coefficients, so now you'll get only coefficients. How beautiful it is. So you can use them. These are estimates, errors, t values, p values. Similarly, suppose you want not the all things, I want only coefficient for intercept. So here friend, if I just consider it as a matrix, it is a 3 by 4 matrix. So simply I can extract what I want. If I say this is 1 1, if I put like in this all things, this was the earlier command, I'm just putting square brackets 1 1, you are having 0.03, this thing. Very simple. Similarly, suppose for this intercept you want probability that is 1 4. So I'm just adding 1 4. So just consider it is matrix and you are getting what you want. So it's 3 by 4 matrix. You can subset any number, anything, whatever you want from here. Similarly, you want r squared, so you can use dollar adjust r square command. You want f statistics, you can use f statistics square bracket 1, because f statistics include four things. If you just use f statistics command, it will give you four things, three things, sorry. uh, so you need only this one, this is your f value. So first thing, f value. Okay, done. Now what is the p value for that? So for p value, what we need three things. What is your f statistics? What are the degree of freedoms we have? So here this thing, it needs three arguments. First is your f statistics. Second thing, your degree of freedom, first one. Two, degree of freedom, second one, that is 560, and lower tail is equal to false. In this way, when you run it, you get 0.003, that was same as this one. So in this way, you can find whatever you want from the regression, friends. All your coefficient, even single coefficient, their p-values and t-values, uh, r square, f statistics, and its p-value for overall model validation. So this is the way you can use linear lm command to run simple OLS in R and extract all the coefficient and their p-values in the way you want. And you can just use a for loop to run it for multiple series, or like for n number of times. uh, Thanks friends, keep watching.